Hello and welcome back to the Alteryx Weekly Challenge with me, Nick Bignell. This is challenge number 38, and this is where we are data blending for batch outputs or multiple outputs. So a company needs to blend data from 3 sources, generate an output file for each product and region combination. So it creates a total of 15 outputs. So create a cross join between product group, regional reference and data tables to produce 15 unique CSV data files. Okay, so let's have a go. Okay, let's just start off with joining this stuff together. Bring in a join tool from the from the favorites, but it's in join as well. Okay, let's just change this to it's a byte at the moment. Now we need to create a file in the output which has this format in it, the region1 underscore product 1, and if we have a look at the data, we've got data here. We've got region key is a number, so that gives us an issue if we're trying to create a string to use as the file name. So what we need to do here is just make that a string. Is to think we do, because when I've tried this before and it's been a number, then it's not liked it. So anyway, let's make that a string, and we can then join on the region. So the drop down, we select region, it automatically selects the region on the right. We don't need the repeat, and we've now got this as a string. Okay, so we can do that, and then we bring in another one and do exactly the same thing but for the product. So we change the product to be a string. We don't take product, we bring in product group, and it will match on the other side as well. So therefore we now have both. We run that, we will now have this region key and project key as strings in the data. So now we just need to create a field that we can insert into the output. So formula tool will do that, and all we want to do is add a field, and we'll call it output, and simply we want to take region and then plus the field we want, which is region key, and then plus some sort of separator. So in this case, I think we'll use an underscore, and then another plus, and then we want to create that region. So we want product plus, and then the product key. Okay, so that then creates as a not the engine half, clicked on the wrong thing. So we want product key. There you go. We don't need to be quite so wide. A string will do. Okay. Now before we do that, we just want to turn these region and product keys back to bytes. They are bytes. We look in here in the metadata. They are bytes. Okay. So let's take that, and we will create an output. Okay, so now we have an output file. So what we'll call this is output. Actually, if we just create this as a CSV, so you click on the thing, and then we got save that. Okay, so we've now got where you're saving it to, and then output CSV. Now this bit at the bottom is the key to it. So we want to take a field or a file table name from a field, so it contains it. So it's this drop down, and we want output. Now we don't want it keep field in output. We don't want that because we want them to, don't want them to be in there. Well, you could keep them if you wanted to. So what's that's done is that's created 15 records with each of the outputs that we want, with the right format or similar format to this, because it's got rid of the actual output. We can't see that, but we could open one and have a look. But yeah, there you go, nice and quick. Thanks very much for watching. See you again next time.